Hello students, welcome to my class 10th science class. Today we will discuss some important questions from chapter electricity. Okay, the question number 1 is, if a person has 5 resistors each of value 5 ohm, then the maximum resistance he can obtain by connecting them is what? The answer is the maximum resistance can be obtained from a group of resistors by connecting them in series. When the resistors are connected in series, there will be maximum resistance. We will gain maximum resistance. So, in series, the formula is R total is equal to R plus R plus R plus R plus R. The total value will be 5R. So, the R total will be 25 ohm. Okay. The question number 2 is, a wire of resistance R is cut into 3 equal parts. If these 3 parts are then joined in parallel, calculate the total resistance of the combination so formed. It also carries 2 marks. Here the single wire is cut into 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. The total resistance is R, so the resistance of individual part will be R by 3. We will add it, because the combination is in parallel, the 3 parts are joined in parallel, so the total resistance will be 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R by 3 plus 1 by R by 3 plus 1 by R by 3. Okay, 1 by Rp is equal to 9 by R, and the Rp is equal to R by 9. The third question is, define electric power. So electric power is the rate at which electric energy is consumed or dissipated, okay, in an electrical circuit. When do we say that the power consumed is in an electrical circuit is 1 watt? So electrical power is the electrical energy consumed per unit time. And the part 2, answer of part 2 is, when 1 ampere current at 1 volt potential difference flows in a circuit, power consumed is 1 watt. Power consumed when 1 ampere current at 1 volt potential difference flows in a circuit, power consumed is 1 watt. When 1 joule electrical energy is consumed in 1 second. Okay. Question number 4 is, write the mathematical expression for Joule's law of heating. Then the mathematical expression of Joule's law of heating is, heat produced is equal to H is equal to VIT. This is the formula. By Ohm's law, we know V is equal to IR. So we can write V is equal to IR. The equation becomes H is equal to I square RT. And the final I square, we will put V square V by R. I is equal to V by R. So I square will be V square by R. And the result becomes V square by I square is equal to V square by R square. So the final result will be V square by RT. Okay. So compute that when a voltage V is applied across a resistance R for time t, so that a current I flows through it. This is mathematical expression of Joule's law of heating, and this is the expression explained. The part B, compute the heat generated while transferring 96,000 coulomb of charge in 2 hours through a potential difference of 40 volt. So the answer is, charge is equal to Q is equal to 96,000 from here, 96,000 coulomb. And time t is equal to 2 hour. Time t is given 2 hour. Then potential difference V is equal to 40 volt. Heat generated is equal to H is equal to VIT, that is VQ. H is equal to, we will put the value of V and Q. The final we get H is equal to 3.84 into 10 to the power 6 joule. as IT is equal to Q. Okay. Question number 5 is just the equivalent resistance when the following are connected in parallel: 1 ohm and 106 ohm, 1 ohm and 103 ohm, and 106 ohm. The answer is when the resistances are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance is smaller than the smallest individual resistance. So here the smallest individual resistance is 1 ohm. So equivalent resistance is less than 1 ohm. And in second, 1 ohm and 103 ohm and 106 ohm, the equivalent resistance is less than 1 ohm. The question number 6 is what is the highest and lowest total resistance that can be secured by combination of 4 coils of resistances: 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm, and 24 ohm. Then the highest resistance can be obtained by connecting 4 coils in series. So when the 4 coils are connected in series, we get total resistance R is equal to 48 ohm. And lowest resistance can be obtained by connecting the 4 coils in parallel. So 1 by R is equal to 1 by 2, and R is equal to 2 ohm. Question number 7 is an electric iron of resistance 20 ohm takes a current of 5 ampere. Calculate the heat developed in 30 seconds. Here R is given 20 ohm, I is given 5 ampere, T is 30 seconds. Then heat developed is equal to H is equal to I square RT. And by putting the values of all individuals, we get H is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 4 joule.